So guys, today we're going to show you how to use our um, top rail as a handrail bracket mount on the wall. So those are the two very common handrail bracket you can get either from Lowe's or Home Depot. Those are fairly cheaply cost and $10 each set. And what you do is you can use our pickets. This is just regular pickets. If you look at our regular pickets, and obviously you don't need the whole thing put in there. You can just chop a small amount, as long as you can mount the handrail bracket on it. So chop a small amount where you want to locate the handrail bracket on the top rail. Then put a screw on both sides to make the pickets stick inside of the handrail solid. Then mount it on the wall, this side on the wall, then mount this side on the handrail bottom. Same thing as this style. Mount on the wall and mount on the bottom of the handrail, then mount on the wall.